हेलो माय डियर चिल्ड्रेन, हाउ आर यू ऑल? कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? Enjoying your days? Very good. Today what I decided, rather taking any new concept of mathematics, क्यों ना हम एक story enjoy करें? So come on, let's start one nice motivational story with your Uzma ma'am. The story is about a teacher and his two students. The same as you are my student, I am your teacher. The same way. Once a teacher asked his two students to come and meet him at the start of a trek which was near a forest. Forest, amazing. That means location of story is nice. So, the student reached there on decided time and greeted their teacher. Teacher showed them trek and said, "You both have to start here and reach end point of trek." What their teacher said, you both have to start here and reach end point of the trek. That means type of race, है ना? Completing this trek will also affect the result of test which will happen next week. That means कि next week one more test will be there. Okay, interesting. Then he wished them good luck and started to race. Both of them started together. Just after a while, both saw that track was divided into two paths. Amazing. That means twist. Teacher had given surprise. The same way your teacher is also giving you sometimes surprises. So the first student decided to follow path which seems clear and very easier to go through. Whereas second student decided to go by path which was not so easy as it was blocked by fallen logs and other obstacles. Anyhow, first student finished first and felt clever as he came first and passes that trick easily, avoiding all the hindrance and obstacle of other path. But the second student took a while to reach end point as he had to pass through that path, battling obstacles in that path. Second student was happy that he was able to complete that race despite taking difficult path. When second student reached end point, the first student who had selected the easier path proudly said, "I am glad I chose easier path as they would have only slowed me down." Then their teacher smiled and asked them to join him at a specific location for next week test. Next week, student teacher meet at decided location. For next test, students were called near a ravine. You know what is ravine? Ravine is it's a simple, narrow, deep valley. Okay. Teacher looked at student and said, "You have to jump to the other side of this ravine." They both were taken back as the distance was few meters wide. Okay, whenever we have to jump, we have to go back a few steps. The first student saw the width of the ravine and couldn't get courage to jump it, as he never did that before. He got scared and stepped back from the test. Then teacher looked at the second student who had chosen the tough path in last test. Second student remembered his track of his last test and how he jumped wide gap there. He remembered everything, how he had completed his last test. He measured his run up, sprinted towards the ravine and launched himself into the air. And you know what happened? He made it. He made it, my dear children. He made it. After completing test, teacher said to first student, "In your previous test, the difficult path was made such a way that completing it would have prepared you for this test. When you choose an easier path, it helped you to complete that test easy, but you were not able to prepare for tougher exam." So my dear children, moral of the story is whenever you face any difficulties in life, you shouldn't get scared and understand that life is meant to be a series of challenges that we overcome, not avoid. Don't pray that God will remove the obstacles. Pray that He will give you the strength to overcome them. Okay? So always prepare for the tougher task, so the tougher will be easy for you. Okay? So this is about today's story. Hope you all enjoyed it. So for the rest days, have a nice day and goodbye.